Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. Look at that big, beautiful box behind me. It's from our good friends at Amotopart, and it's hard to believe that inside that box is a complete body kit for the BMW S1000RR. But it's true. And in today's video, Zach, the master mechanic, is going to install that complete kit onto our good buddy Saint's 2023 BMW S1000RR. I think it's pretty impressive that they were able to fit a complete motorcycle body kit into this relatively small box. What's also impressive is that if you live in the United States, you can receive your Amotopart body kit within about 3 days. That's pretty awesome, guys. Well, let me load this box up and head up to Sills Motor Sales, and let's see how Zach feels about this Amotopart body kit for the S1000RR.
So this is supposedly full fairing kit for an S1000RR. I believe I've used these before for a customer, and they were pretty nice. They fit pretty well. And,
nice.
The paint was nice. So if you go to their website, you can look. They have a million configurations, and you can also customize it, and it's very affordable for what you get.
Yes.
Especially if you have a S1000 that you just low-sided, need some fairings, I would check them out for sure. So let's both be surprised and see what color we're making this motorcycle.
Yeah, because like you said, I forgot what we ordered too.
I think it's bright green, but I could be wrong. Like, I think it's a really bright green. Yeah, they give you lots of hardware with it too. I try to retain as much as the stock BMW stuff as possible. Okay. This is all hardware. And you also get some heat protection for your lower belly pans.
Wow.
That you can stick on. So kind of nice that they send all that. This is like all the clip-on body parts and fasteners.
Look at this. Does it come colored, or something we ordered?
Well,
you know, I do remember them asking us about that, Zach. And I did ask Saint, and he wanted the red stuff. So we got the red fasteners.
We are going high-vis green. Cool. I thought that's what we were doing. I just wasn't sure. I don't know if you want red with that thing?
That's what he wanted.
All right.
Look at that. That's nice.
I mean, it's nice.
Yeah.
All right, so we got all the body work laid out and displayed. Look at all this stuff that you get. I mean, it's pretty cool. Yes. Everything that you can get in this kit. If you wrecked your bike and you don't mind having non-OEM parts, like, this is really the way to go. Yes. It's very complete. You get all the clips to make all the snap fittings work. The only one thing I see that didn't come with this is only set up for a solo seat rider. I don't know if that was an option or something. Yeah. But literally every piece of plastic, which is kind of handy because we're gonna need it because we don't have the solo seat cover. This fits underneath here. Like, you would never get this part with another body kit. Even when you buy it from BMW, these two parts are separate. Yeah. And then all these black plastic pieces, which we're gonna reuse the OEM ones because they're not broken. But if you had broken pieces, I'd say this is pretty good quality compared to the BMW one here. I mean, you can see it has the same etchings. It's a little different shade black. Yeah. And it feels a little different in person, but that's about it. Look at this panel with all the RRs on it. It's like a dead ringer. Oh yeah. Go hold it by the other. Yeah. Shark fin there, Eve. Yeah.
He's right. Look at that, guys. That's amazing. And all for $736 is what this costs.
That's crazy. You couldn't buy one of these winglets for that from BMW, which these actually seem pretty high quality, dead ringer.
The winglets.
All the little bumps, just like the factory ones have. The winglet support piece. Like, when you buy a fairing from BMW, that doesn't come with it. Let's see. How well did they drill it and how well does it fit? On a quick test.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Pops right in.
Didn't even have to drill anything.
Nice.
That's sweet.
Nice.
I mean, it's a little tight, but the drill didn't have to come out, you know?
Right.
We'll take it.
I'm still amazed at these parts, Zach.
Dude, I'm amazed too. Yeah, we're gonna show some direct comparisons here in a second as soon as I get this bike apart.
Okay. So, you know, this is also a good option for guys that do track days and stuff too, right? You put these fairings on, do a track day, and you won't cry too much if something happens.
Or you like to ride in the city a lot and park your bike a lot. Yeah. Put this on, put your stock stuff away in the corner, and then when you this gets all beat up, you can always put it back on.
Yep.
I mean, we could do a quick, so they even send belly pan pieces. Let's see.
Identical. I mean,
really identical, I know. The only difference is this is fully painted on the inside and this isn't.
Yes. And which one is this, the factory or? That's the Amotopart.
This is the Amotopart.
Gotcha.
This is the factory.
Wow. See?
So just because we don't need it, we're gonna use the factory one, but a lot of times in a little tip over or something, this is what gets damaged, and this is not cheap from BMW.
Well, speaking of that, Zach, how much do you estimate it would cost for all of this body work if it were OEM? Winglets and everything.
I mean, I just did a bike that was low-sided on the left side, and it was $5,000.
Wow.
So that was just one side. That was a winglet, the fairing. The fairing didn't come painted, so we had to have it painted.
Yeah.
Maybe a foot peg and some tail, this part.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't much. So probably easy $10,000 in factory stuff. And then all these little bits and pieces that you might need are just always a pain to remember to order. All right, so just want to show, this is the tank cover that came with the motorcycle. It has these cutouts even for the gas tank. You can see they line right up. And even with the tech specs on this tank, this is super close to lining up to fitting. So I know with the tech specs off of this tank, this would fit right on here like this, and then your airbox cover would wind up holding it in place. It does look well, it looks nice.
It does.
The paint job on it is good. But the customer in this case wants to stick with his black colored tank with the tank pads on it, so we're just gonna leave that. But wanted to show that this does fit. All right, first piece going on the bike. So we're gonna use the factory air intake nose holder piece, whatever you wanna call it. And the new part, looks like everything is lining up with all the tabs just like it should. This side's got the RR on it. It's clear coated over, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah,
It appears to be.
Yes, it is.
So that's nice. All right, so we got our one fairing just about prepped using their winglet, the BMW support piece. This is the BMW piece. Everything fit together just like it should. This is the BMW piece. Let's see how well it fits. Just got to line up a couple pieces here, and we will be ready to go back onto the motorcycle.
Nice. I like that reassuring clicking I'm getting.
I know.
So we got a link in the description where you guys can purchase parts from Amotopart. You can get the complete kits and everything. Make sure you check it out.
All right, so we got most of the main fairings back on the motorcycle. Everything fit really nice. Used all the stock BMW fasteners and body clips. And I don't know, to me, it just, at least it gives it that much more of an OEM fitment.
Yes.
Their fasteners, no problem with them, but their body clips are different, and so are the fasteners are like an Allen instead of a Torx, and I'm just so used to the Torx.
Yeah.
I like this way better. So coming along good though.
Yeah, it is.
We got just a couple more pieces to put on, and we'll see what the final product looks like. The biggest thing is I gotta build the tail section.
Okay.
But other than that, the rest of this, so this is their part, this is the BMW part, all fits really nice. Just like it should.
Link to how you can get this product, guys, is the first link in the description of this video.
And the final piece, will it fit? Completely built from their parts, inside and out.
Here we go.
It's on.
That's what I was listening for.
Yep, looks good. Gaps look good. One thing to note, this is plastic, not rubber.
Yes.
But
okay, so that's what he means. That's plastic. If you look over at this bike over here, this piece is rubber.
if we had his original tail cowl, we could have put the BMW rubber piece.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it. That's all the pieces we got. I'm pretty impressed with the product.
Yeah, me too.
It fit in a pretty small box, so you can't beat that.
Yeah.
Everything fit on the motorcycle. Worked with the OEM parts. Also would work with their parts. Yeah, if you have a completely wrecked bike, I mean, you can. This is easier than ordering all these pieces individually. It's a pain in the butt to look all that up individually.
Yeah.
Using the BMW fasteners, I feel makes everything fit a little better. But if not, it is super nice that they sent a parts kit with push pins, and those are their body clips, and their fasteners are different sizes.
Yeah.
They're all a little bit long in my opinion. That's the other reason I like using the BMW ones over these. But I'm sure they figured out that it works. And even these little clips, these things are probably $225 each or something from BMW.
Wow. Yeah.
You got a bag full of them. It's awesome.
Nice.
So yeah, check out their website if you're interested. If not, hope you enjoyed watching us change this S1000 from all black to fluorescent yellow.
To Mountain Dew yellow?
It's a little brighter than that.
Okay.
Highlighter, yeah.
Highlighter
Yellow.
Looks nice. Looks very nice, guys. You heard Zach the Master Mechanic. A link to this Amotopart product is the first link in the description of this video. You guys check them out. I'm impressed. Zach's impressed. The Grumpy Cat's impressed. Yeah,
hopefully Saint likes it. That's all that matters.
Yes. Okay, guys. Saint, the owner of the motorcycle, has the mic right now, well, has the camera, and he's also mic'd up. So this is going to be Saint's first time seeing his bike with the new Amotopart fairings installed on it. And as he told you a moment ago, he's excited.
Too excited. Got a beautiful day out here too. Get to see all the colors. Oh my gosh, that looks sick. Oh, no way. No way. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh my gosh. That looks insane.
What do you think?
Holy cow, I love it. I love it. I love it. That looks insane.
Yes.
That looks so good.
Yes, it does.
Oh my gosh. And it's like the perfect brightness.
Yes.
Like this is one of my favorite colors.
Bro,
this looks amazing.
We didn't get to see this yesterday. We were filming Saint because there was no sun out in filthy Cleveland like there never is. But in the sun, you are exactly right. This thing looks remarkable.
It's amazing.
Wow.
Almost looks like it glows in the dark. Like
yes.
It's amazing. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
You all killed it.
Yeah.
You all killed it.
That's a Amotopart, man. And do you know, Saint, that if you order one of their kits and you live in the United States, you can get it shipped to you as quickly as 3 days.
That's awesome.
3-day shipping.
That is
awesome. You live in the United States.
I mean, just the quality. Like it's like OEM quality.
You know Zach, he doesn't hold back. He doesn't care about YouTube videos and sponsorships. If he thinks something's trash, he's going to say it. And yesterday when he was filming, he raved about this bike and how nice the Amotopart fairings fit, the quality of them, and the price.
Gosh.
$750 for this entire kit, Saint.
That's amazing.
He looked it up on his computer. It would cost you over $12,000 in OEM BMW parts.
Hey, I got a lot more bikes they can get parts for. That's for sure.
Let's do it.
Holy
Let's do
cow. This is amazing.
Talk about a bike that's going to stand out at all the meetups and everywhere you ride, right?
That's the goal.
There was a young kid at Sills yesterday, and he just went nuts over this bike. It was the best thing he'd ever seen.
Oh, I could see why. Like I'm literally speechless. This is amazing.
I am too. I mean, this is, for me, Saint, it's like seeing it for the second time also because, like I said, there was no sun yesterday, and now we can see in the sunlight. It looks amazing.
This looks so good. Like you need sunglasses.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my sunglasses on, and we're gonna retake my thumbnail picture right now for this.
Oh,
hopefully
awesome.
that sun doesn't go away. See, it's trying to. Clouds are trying to.
Yeah, it looks
come
great.
out. Look at this thing. Yeah. I love these S1000s. You guys know that. I love my M1000. These bikes are just so comfortable. Super comfortable. But you guys tell us, how does it look? You know, in the sunlight, being ridden around. You know, we think it looks amazing. But I think this install came out very well. Zach is super happy. Saint is super happy. All right, guys. Yeah, everybody's happy with this product. Link is in the description. You guys got to get these body kits for your motorcycles. Thanks a bunch to Amotopart for sponsoring this video. Thanks to Saint for being a cool guy, letting us borrow his bike. Super thanks to Zach the Master Mechanic for the install and the knowledge. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Never forget, ride something and ride safe. We'll catch you on the next video.